Assalamualaikum. My name is Miftahul Jannat Vidita. I am reading class 3. My father's name is Maruf Jahan. My mother's name is Tama Khatun.
দাও
My name is
রেডি
Assalamualaikum. My name is Abiha. I read class 3. Assalamualaikum. My name is Sobiazan Shukurna. I reading a class 3.
দাও
Assalamualaikum. My name is Mezabin Litya Ashan.
দাও
Assalamualaikum. My name is Saudana Binti Shahid. I am class 3.
হ্যাঁ দাও
Assalamualaikum. My name is Sabianur Sihab. My name is Sabianur Sihab. My mother's name is Husnarak Mou. My father's name is Zainur Rahman. I read in class 3.
দাও
Assalamualaikum. My name is Mehzabin Kabir Bushra. I read in class 3.
দাও
Assalamualaikum. My name is Tashfi. Assalamualaikum. My name is Tashfiya Zaman Vidya. I read in class 3. Assalamualaikum. My name is Sally. My father's name is Moy. My mother's name is Rita. My name is Jai. I read in class 3. My mother's name is Rita. My father's name is Molin.
দাও
Assalamualaikum. My name is Salma. I read in class 3.
হুম
Assalamualaikum. My name is Bismillah. I read in class 2.
3
I read in class 3.
দাও
My name is Nusaiba Muniar. I read in class 3. My father name is Miraj. My mother name is Shefali.
এবার দাও
Assalamualaikum. My name is Jabha. I read in class 3.
হ্যাঁ দাও ওই দেখ হ্যাঁ
Assalamualaikum. My name is Sanvi. I read in class 3. My name is Mashuba. I am in class 2.
দাও বলো
Assalamualaikum. My name is Safia Saha. I'm in class 3.
সালাম দাও
Assalamualaikum. My name is Sumaya Afrin. I read in class 3.
ফেস ঢেকে যাচ্ছে দাও